Founded in 1984, family-owned Schwab Industries started their business offering prototype stamping and low-volume production, with a mission to provide excellent customer service and quality assurance. Today, Schwab is at the forefront of the manufacturing industry, specializing in prototyping, low-volume stamping and assembly, aerospace tooling, and automotive production fixtures. We bridge the gap between high-volume and low-volume production with hybrid tooling to keep costs down and reduce the time to production. We are able to be competitively priced by leveraging existing capital and reaching our goals on time. We utilize modern facilities and equipment so that we can avoid putting equipment costs on our clients. Schwab's aerospace division has the capacity to design, build, and check in our modern, climate-controlled facility. We are able to provide quotes quickly from our extensive knowledge of the tooling process. Our aerospace facilities boast 47-foot ceilings, multiple laser trackers, 5-axis milling capabilities, and a team of experienced builders to support our leadership in the industry. We have a close relationship with the foundry that pours our Kirksite, giving us a competitive advantage for our stretch form tooling process. Our ISO 9001-2015, AS9100 REV D2016 certifications are a mark of our excellence in the aerospace industry. Schwab has the knowledge and experience in prototype, production, design, and building of check fixtures and gauges for the automotive and aerospace industries. We know the best material and tooling options to fit your project, leaving you feeling safe and at peace when you work with us. Schwab is preferred by major automotive OEMs because of our hot stamping and hybrid tooling process, which allows us to form a complete part in one hit, shattering cost of tooling. We provide a streamlined assembly process with expert tool designers, multiple milling centers with 5-axis capabilities, a very large press room, and a team of die makers ready for the task. Our process, coupled with our 30 years of experience, makes us the most efficient facility in the industry, ultimately assisting in increasing your overall profits. Our team is rooted in a variety of industries, allowing us to keep production costs down and efficiently meet deadlines for our customers. If it can be done faster and better, we're able to do it.